Welcome back to MitchEllaCo, your #1 travel channel. And today we find ourselves right outside of the Grand Canyon at the best hotel that we think you should stay at. We're at the Squire today, so we will be touring you through the whole hotel, all the amenities, and convincing you why, if you're going to the Grand Canyon, you need to book your stay here. But without further ado, let's get into it. First impressions, as soon as you walk in, the lobby is gorgeous, as a lot of 4-star hotels are, but I love the theming behind it, the lounge, the seating areas, the gift shop, which we will be taking you to, but the check-in desk is right behind me. I had a fantastic experience. I actually booked this when I was doing research on the way here through Expedia, but I walked in seeing if I could get a better deal, and the front desk lady knew everything that I needed to be aware of and was really helpful in explaining all the amenities of the hotel. So 5 stars for the check-in experience. Starting out in the lobby, if you are looking for food right as you arrive, there are a couple choices. We have the Desert Lounge and Grill. I love that the menu is strategically placed and digital. It's not open right now, but it's got a built-in bar that you can go check out, and it's usually really popular. Last night, it's kind of dark over in the distance. Another dining option would be the Canyon Room, when this is where you'll find breakfast. It's not included in your stay unless you paid a little bit extra. I think it runs around $25, $22 to add to your stay, but it looks like a nice setup. For the souvenir shopper in all of us, there is a bunch of Grand Canyon merch. Not the hotel, but the Grand Canyon. That is the main attraction here. It's called the Squire Gifts at the Grand Canyon, of course, but let's go see the theming inside. I'm just here for the cactus candy.
I've had it.
Truly? Oh, you have? Mm-hmm. How is it? What does it taste like? Not very good, apparently.
Sugary gel.
Yeah. If you're in need of a late night snack, I saw the prices. They are pretty competitive. 12 bucks for jerky, a bag of chips, if you didn't want to go anywhere. But I will say, this hotel is highly walkable. All the gas stations, gift stores, as well as the restaurants, you can walk around. There is secretly a lower level to the lobby, so we wandered down the spiral staircase and we found lots of things to rent, including e-bikes, different tours. There's a pink Jeep tour company in town as well, but there is also an arcade and a pub down here. Wow, I can't believe this is hidden down here. It's not open right now, but there is a legit bowling alley in this basement. I feel like we're in a luxury mansion and it's hidden down here, but all the arcade games, one of the things I wanted to mention is as you check in, they give you your key cards as well as a coupon for $5 to use at the arcade. This place opens at 5. It is a pub right off the arcade on the lower level of the lobby. Looks like sandwiches, pizzas, salads, entrees. I had no idea this was down here yesterday, but if you don't want to leave the resort, this place has everything you could eat and want. Now we've climbed up the spiral staircase all the way up to the 3rd floor of the lobby to make it to where the convention rooms are, as well as a hidden game room that I wandered up and found. I would assume that you can go in here, play puzzles, games, checkers, if the weather is terrible, but the real star of this hotel is the outdoor area with games and the pool, indoor, outdoor, which we will show you next, but oh wait, the gym is up first. Gym is absolutely massive. I love the super duper tall ceilings, and you don't even know that it's hidden off the outdoor area. They have all the cardio equipment you could need, but my real question is, do you work out when you go to the Grand Canyon? Isn't hiking and the attraction working out, or do you even work out on vacation? Let us know in the comments down below, but this is where you would come to lift some weights, get away, perfectly air conditioned and lots of space to expand. Not only is there an indoor pool, there's also an outdoor pool, but I cannot believe that they have one inside. So weather permitting, this would be the place to go if it was terrible outside, but the exterior outside area, oh, magnificent. Let's take a look. Ready to take a swim? back here we have the outdoor pool. It is huge as well. There's a kiddie area over there, and there is also a hot tub for all you hikers out there that want to relax your joints after your long hikes at the Grand Canyon. It's 11 a.m., but I'm telling you, you guys, this place shines at night. There are overhead lighting, the pool, all the seating areas, and there's even this like pillar behind us that lights up. The pool's open late. We enjoyed dessert by the pool last night, but a really cool attribute of the area is the yard with all the mini games. We have cornhole behind you, we have ping pong tables behind me, and we have a giant chess game. All these are available within your stay to come out and hang out. This is a great evening area to just relax and chill, maybe grab a drink and something to eat and hang out. I'll say that if you maybe went for a super budget hotel and you wanted to just come visit this great hotel with all the amenities, you can buy a day pass. It's $20 for adults and $100 for a family of 5. So pretty reasonable for an indoor outdoor fitness center, bowling alley, and all the games. So like most hotels with exterior attractions, you're gonna wanna bring your key card everywhere you went. This one's wood, awesome. But also after you check in, you're gonna get this handy dandy map. The thing about this hotel is that the rooms are in sub-rooms that are sub-buildings, and they're all exterior exposed. So we're staying in the 3000 room, but there are a bunch of different rooms to choose from. We stayed in the most basic suite, which we will show you next, but I just wanted to mention, because I forgot before, when you check in every night, there are s'mores out on this patio right off the main lobby for you to cook. Welcome to the room, guys. We're in 3120 in the building 3. We have our handy dandy key cards that are actually made out of wood. These are pretty legit. This room, I would say, is nothing to write home about, but the hotel is why you stay here. But we'll give you a quick tour. We have some cool light fixtures. Gotta have the full length mirror right here. What I appreciated most is the plug-in outside of the bathroom, so I could curl my hair out here while he was taking a shower. Quick little bathroom where we have full mirrors on each wall. It's kind of surround sound, but mirror status. Again, plug-ins. We have nothing but Dove toiletries, so we have body wash, or hand wash and lotion, and then body wash and shampoo. Come on in, cameraman. Pretty teeny tiny. I wouldn't take a bath, but it gets the job done. And then the other Dove toiletries. So we make it to the main point of the room. We had 2 queens, which is less expensive than the kings. So we didn't use this one. It's in perfect condition for this video for you guys, as well as a little bench to drop all your luggage off. Huge big screen TV. We have a microwave, we have a fridge, which we kept all our liquids in there. If you wanted to unpack and stay a while, you could. The coffee station, there was 2 complimentary waters that came with the room as well. Nights, so this would kind of be the workstation, I would say. And then we have this lovely view. You can feel the heat coming in. It's nice that they have so many windows. We're on the 1st floor. And then the last thing I'll say is that there is a plug-in that's kind of like a housing unit next to the nightstand, but there's also one built into the lamp at the coffee station. So, the Squire. Should it be on your list? Again, at the beginning of this video, I said this is the place to stay, and I stand behind that. We went across the street and checked out another hotel that was more themed in nature, but it was way more expensive. This is the 4-star, and where it shines is definitely its amenities, especially the exterior ones. The destination, it's about 7 miles outside of the Grand Canyon, which is phenomenal. We're in Tucson, the main city hub right before the Grand Canyon, so you can get food here, walkability to get different snacks or dinner in the evenings is phenomenal too. So yeah, this is the place to stay if you're coming to the Grand Canyon. You make sure you book, but the drum roll of the price is that I booked it same day and through Expedia, and I want to say it was $240 after taxes and fees. There is a resort fee of like $30, so be aware when you're booking that it'll tack on at the end, but that is pretty reasonable for all the things that you get, and especially if you are just going to book a day pass, you might as well just stay here with your whole family. So make sure you like and subscribe. We are continuing on with our road trip series. Make sure you check out our other video where we drove from Phoenix to the Grand Canyon, as well as all our upcoming ones. We're heading to Zion next, so we'll see what that has to offer. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.